Hi everyone, this is Maddy from SINOMADA. Today we come to this fabulous concrete machine factory, HAOBOC. We can see on my back, this is our main character today, crawler pump truck. Have you ever seen this kind of machine? Which is much smaller than the traditional concrete pump truck. So it can be applied to many working conditions that concrete pump truck can't even reach. Its dimension, 6.8 meter long and 2 meter wide, 3 meter height, which can be suitable for many working conditions like building houses, bridges, and mine industry, etc. The most interesting thing is that this machine is unmanned, and its operation is on this small remote control. We can see that there are a lot of buttons and operation keys on this remote control, which can be very convenient to operate this machine and also ensure the safety of construction. It has a total of 5 pumping arms, a fabric radius of up to 22 meters. The truck is 1.95 meters wide and 3.9 meters long, which can be used on sand, mud, and mines, etc. And it is 2 telescopic front legs, which means that less space is required. Let's take a closer look at the machine. The use of HAOBOC 129 kW engine supports the emission of Tier 2 and Tier 3 emission, and the demand of oil quality is smaller. So, if you need a machine make your project more easier and smoother, please don't hesitate to contact me. My email is maddy@sinomada.com. That's all. Thank you.